Okay, so for the pieces under the skirt here, what I'm gonna do is select the skirt, I mentioned in the other video, and then you want to select this part of the mat of the UV mount. You can use B to select like the square and stuff, and then press R, and then type 90. So it's gonna rotate at 90 degrees. Move it over here for now, and then you want to grab these two pockets right here, and move those here, and then grab this right here and move that right here. So now go back onto this, and then you want to move this down here, and with G and S you're going to use Y to shrink it some, and you want to kind of fit it into this shape right here, and then using G and X you'll make it big like this way. So you want it to be kind of like that. Okay, so now you want to open it in here, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste these two layers right here so that I have those to put where I moved them in Blender. And so I'm going to delete them on there now, and then I'm going to grab this right here and I'm going to copy and paste that, and then I'm going to do the same thing that I did there, which is rotate it 90 degrees this way. So now I'm going to open, I'll send you this this picture. This is a UV template of how stuff in the game works. So using this template, I'm gonna shrink this that way, and then make it bigger this way. So roughly like this. Yeah, roughly like that. And then I'm going to go back onto this one, and I'm going to delete like up to here maybe, and then I'm going to take these pieces from here and move them similar to how I had them on the other one, or in Blender. So just drag it and put it there. The reason I'm leaving more of this here is so that in case anything from the belt like loops over into there, we don't want that to cause like a white line or anything. And then you're also going to want to create a layer underneath of this and put a this like gray color that's like surrounding this around here. So do that and then get rid of that layer, then save it. So I'll save this as skirt 2. So now on here I'm going to image, not that. You also can open this image here to see how to do it with open image, and then I'll send you it, and then you just click the image to open it. So now I'm going to replace these with this skirt. So replace. Then. Okay. So what we did in Blender obviously didn't do it perfectly. You could do it in what's it called, in Photoshop first and then move over to Blender to do the UV thing. That honestly would probably be better. I just wasn't thinking like that. I should have, but I was not. And then just line everything up best you can here. And you might have to like play around with it a lot to shrink it and get everything to fit how it should, because editing the texture like this is gonna make it pretty wonky to mess with. But you should be able to get it to look how it did, and then same with the pockets. We didn't like shrink these or anything, so you just have to move these pieces. Same with this right here, and you just have to move it to be in place. And then it should be good. You might have to adjust it some, like see how there's like a little line of skin there that's from here. So I'm just gonna grab this and move this up some, and that should get rid of the skin there. Same with the other side, I think, up here. Or no, that side's good. Okay. Yeah, so that's all you should do there, and then that'll fix the under bit. So now if I import this as, let's see, downloads, under bit. so it's gonna look really, really broken there. Let's see. Skirt 2. So it's gonna look like that. The texture might look a little different with all these versions, because it's getting moved and everything, but you should still have like the look that you're going for on it, I think. Hopefully I explained all that right. I hope so. If not, you can ask anything.